Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great new and very impressive method to remove puffy eye and to get rid of eye circle. So if you want to know all of the full ingredients, please stay put. And don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share. Alright, so let me take you right into this video. Now, to get rid of puffy eye and to get rid of dark eye circles, you're going to be needing cucumber. Now, cucumber is one great remedy that works wonders in removing puffiness and soreness of the eye. Okay, it's actually very gentle. So what we're gonna do now is that we are gonna be needing just a little cut of that. So we're gonna be cutting it even more. Now we're gonna be transferring it into a blender. Okay guys, so this is it. And what we're gonna be needing here is that we're gonna be needing just the juice. So I'm gonna be turning in this into a strainer. And then I'm going to be straining it out. So this is the juice that we have, which is very great. Okay guys, so to make this better, we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Now turmeric is a great remedy that helps so much to lighten up the skin. Okay, turmeric has long been used for a natural and effective remedy for puffiness of eye and dark eye circles, but we're going to be needing just a little pinch of the turmeric powder. So I'm actually going to be putting about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After that is done, then we'll have to stir it up. Okay. So the next ingredients we're gonna be needing for this very important remedy is green tea. Now green tea has a lot of ingredients that help so much to reduce puffiness of eye, and it tends to leave your skin really tight. Okay, so when it reduces the puffiness, it's also going to help to leave your skin really tight. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be putting in water, and I'm actually going to allow it to reduce. Yeah, so we're just going to be keeping it for it to induce, and then we'll have that into our ingredients. Yeah, so I'm gonna be keeping it aside and I'll be right back. So as we wait for the green tea to induce together, we're gonna be needing potato, and this is Irish potato. Okay, now potato juice contains a lot of ingredients and it helps to lighten up the skin. So if you're actually having dark circles around that area, potato is actually going to help you to lighten it up, and it also going to help to reduce the puffiness, and you're good to go. Okay, so go grab Irish potato. It's going to be very helpful for this treatment. So after that is done, then you can crate your potato. You can blend it, pound it, however you want to do it, but we need the potato. So since I don't need too much of that, I'm going to be keeping that particular one aside. So I'm going to be blending this potato. So what we're going to do is that we're going to sieve out the juice of the potato. So we're going to grab a bowl, and then we'll sieve out all of the juice. Yeah. And this is the potato juice. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is going to be very perfect for this puffiness of eye, is going to be avocado. And avocado is a great anti-aging remedy, guys. If you do not have avocado, go grab it, because it's going to help you for all of those puffiness of eye and whatnot. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting the avocado. And then we're going to blend the avocado also. So I'm going to be scooping it into this bowl. And now we would have to blend it, because this is actually very important. So because it's actually not much, so it didn't blend very well, but it's still very, very okay. And this is how it is. So I'm gonna be grabbing this ingredient, and then we'll have to put that inside here. Okay. And then I'm gonna be grabbing my manual mixer, so that I can mix this very well, and so it can be properly mixed. Because if I don't use a manual mixer, it's not going to mix very well, because it didn't blend very, very smooth. So the manual mixer is going to help it blend even more. Okay, so this is the potato juice, and you have to make sure that the starch getting into it also. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be putting all of this. And now after that is done, then I'll grab my green tea, and this is it. It's actually induced very, very well. Press it out. We're not going to be using the green tea particles this time, So I'm gonna be putting all of it, and now I'll have to use a spoon and mix this. Now you have to make sure that your treatment is very well watery. You shouldn't be thick at all because you're going to be using it at the under eye area, so it should be watery. Yeah, so this is it, and this is a perfect mix for a dark under eye. Okay, so let's go apply this. Now you can apply this every day for an effective result. Now for you to use this, you have to refrigerate it. Take it into a refrigerator, refrigerate it, let it be very chill, and then we use it. Okay guys, so for a puffy eye, for this particular treatment, you'll be needing a cotton wool. Yep, so the first thing you do is that you dab your face, especially your under eye area. You dab it with water, which I've already done. Okay, let me do it for you guys to see, but I've already done it behind the camera because I just love to dab my face with water so that it will be soft, like my skin will be soft when I want to apply this. Okay, so then I'll use this is the treatment. Now another thing is that you have to put it inside the fridge. Put it inside the fridge, guys. Like I just put mine inside the fridge. You can see how it is. Okay, so I just remove it and it's gonna be really cool, really cooling. Okay, so you stir it up really well, and this is how it is. Yeah. Okay, so after that, grab your cotton wool. I will have to be keeping this, and then you spread it out so well. Now for that puffiness to go down, you have to be sinking this into this great treatment. Like, trust me, when you're done using this, then let me show you what I'm doing. Then you press it for the water, for the excessive water to go out. Trust me guys, when you're done doing this, that's your puffy eye that you have been complaining about will go down. It will go down. Just applying it already, you're going to be feeling that force of pressing your puffy eye down. So try this. Trust me guys, you're not going to be regretting it. You're not going to be regretting it. So put it this way, and then you get another cotton wool, spread it all out, soak it inside, soak it this way too. Expand it. It needs to be expanded, and then you put it very close. Okay, put it very close by. So this is the side and this is the side. Make sure it is close enough to cover all of those puffy eye. Yeah, so for this particular side, you can just choose to use a small brush and rub it, but for me I would say you still put this cotton wool. Now the reason why I'll say you still put the cotton wool is because when you put the first one, trust me, you're gonna be feeling that force of your puffy eye going down drastically. So that's why I would say use the cotton wool. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, so you squeeze it out a little bit, okay, so that it won't have to be dropping everywhere too much. you put it this way, yeah, and this is it, and this is it. Okay guys, so after which you've put it like this, then you can wait for like 10 to 15 20 minutes, depending on how you can wait. You can wait for this to dry. Your result is going to be in 3 days, like 3 days of applying this and putting it inside the refrigerator. Let it be very chill. Like trust me on this, your puffy eye is gonna go down. If it doesn't go down, that means you didn't get all of the ingredients, or you did not do it very well, or you are not consistent in it. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for mine to just lighten up under my eye, and I'm gonna remove it. Yeah. So that's it guys, do it just exact the way I did it. Yeah, puffy eye would go in few days. Now remember to repeat this, okay, because there's no magic in this. It's just you applying it, giving it a little time to work, and it helps you so much to remove all of those puffy eye and high circle. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Stay safe and bye.